If you are searching for a spacious modern home near Santa Rosa exit with 4 bedrooms, 2 balconies, and an elegant master suite, well, this might be the best property you'll see in Santa Rosa today. Hi everyone, Arman Cruz here, your licensed real estate broker specializing in New Valley and South Luzon properties. Today we're here in Villa Segovia, Santa Rosa, Laguna to feature this brand new 4-bedroom modern home which sits in a lot area of 150 square meters in a floor area of 250 square meters. But before we proceed with our tour, let me invite you to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell para ma-update kayo whenever we release new house tours. We're also on social media. We have our Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and LinkedIn. You can also contact us in the contact information on the screen if you'd like to buy a property or sell a property. Let's begin the exterior part of the house. As you can see, you have your fence and also gated na po siya. And yung carport po natin can easily fit your 2 vehicles na SUV or even your pickup. Mahaba po siya. Pagpasok natin, you will notice that. Now here on this side is your pedestrian guard. And as you can see, meron tayong enough space for your sidewalk. So spacious siya, hindi masyado nakasagad sa kalye. So kahit pa paano, it's still very airy and napakaganda niya. So as you can see, ang ganda ng materials na ginamit niya. Ang ginamit niya dito is nakalimutan ko yung tawag dyan, parang plyboard yan or gypsum board. So pagpasok po natin, as we enter, this is your pedestrian gate. It's already almost covered halfway from this part all the way to the door. So kahit paano, you wouldn't worry about your door expanding or masisira because of the rain or because of the harsh heat of the sun. Now on this side, you have a space still so that you can put your landscape garden. And on here would be your spacious 2-vehicle carport na kasyang-kasya po ang dalawang SUV size vehicle. And yung ceiling natin, WPC na po yung ceiling niya, which makes it very durable and long-term. You have LED lights on 4 corners, you have a center light, and as you can see, sobrang spacious niya, sobrang luwag. So this is very rare to see na magkaroon ng bahay at this price range na maluwag po yung vehicle carport niya. Now, from our carport would be your access to your covered lanai. Yung covered lanai natin, hindi siya yero. It's made out of polycarbonate. So kahit paano, yung natural light still comes inside this area. Hindi masyadong madilim, hindi masyadong maliwanag. It's just enough to protect you from the harsh heat of the sun. And then you can still put a couch here, tables and chairs here so that you can entertain your guests. And if we move a little bit forward, on this side would be your service area. Itong gate na to, naka-gate na siya, which I like about this house. This is very practical, very maximized. So if you're looking for something, everything is set up for you, this is perfect. This is your entryway going to your service kitchen. Nandyan na rin yung kitchen natin, mahaba yung counter. And then, meron din tayong laundry area. So we're done touring with the exterior part of the house. Let's go inside. Let's tour the ground floor of this house. This is actually a very well thought of house. Halos lahat ng kailangan mong isipin, ginawa na nila. Siguro very minimal lang idadagdag mo. So if you're looking for something na hindi mo na kailangan masyado mag-isip, this is actually perfect for you. Starting with our porch. Ang maganda dito, it's already covered. You can actually put a sofa here so that this can be a mud area. When you say mud area, lahat na maduduming sapatos, tsinelas, or mga footwear from the outside just stays here. You can actually put a cabinet and a chair here so that you can change to your indoor slippers going inside your house. So as we enter, this is our living area. As you can see, ang ganda ng mga small accents niya. Very well thought of. All throughout the house, you will notice the ceilings natin ngayon will be WPC na color brown or dark brown. And this is your living area. By the way, this property comes semi-furnished. Meron ng air conditioning in select parts of the house. And then meron na rin siyang mga kasama sa kitchen na typically hindi sinasama for sale. So this is your living area. It's spacious, very high ceiling, above standard than the regular. You actually have a space here underneath the stairs so that you can store more stuff. And you have your air conditioning that will cool off this whole area. So right across would be your dining area, which has an access going to your covered lanai. So ito yung ating dining area. Kasya dito if depending on how you place your dining table, it can fit an 6-seater or an 8-seater dining table. Again, depending on the size of the furnitures and depending on how you will place your dining area. Now, on this part, I can just imagine you can put a mirror here, you can put a buffet table here so that you can utilize this space here. Now, right beside it would be your kitchen area. For your kitchen area, U-shape yung space niya. You have your countertop here, very nicely done, very well designed. You have a lot of functional space to store your things. Meron tayong dual sink, meron tayong oven with cooktop na may range hood na as you can see, very ang ganda ng mat na ganang brand yung ginamit niya. And you have a lot of storage space which is very important when it comes to cooking. Now, mamaya papunta tayo dito. This is our service kitchen, but let's first tour you yung ating powder room. So, yung powder room natin, it's just a right size for a powder room, perfect for our guest. You have already your countertop for your sink. You have your mirror, tapos meron na rin siyang backlight. And then, kung makikita niyo yung materials na ginamit, very classy, very elegant po yung ginamit niya. Now, right beside it would be the first bedroom or the ground floor bedroom here in the ground floor. Perfect for your guests and also the elderly. Meron din siyang kasamang air conditioning. You have LED lights. You have your center light. You have a big full-size cabinet. I think this can fit a king-size or queen-size bed easily. To be safe, for your estimate, kasha ang queen-size bed dito. If king-size, medyo siksik siya. Now, another thing na magandang feature of this ground floor bedroom would be your own toilet and bath with own shower enclosure already. So, you don't have to worry about that anymore. Talagang itong bahay na to, you just need to bring your things, bring few furnitures, and then pwede ka nang lumipat. Let's go to the service area or the secondary kitchen of the house. Some houses don't include this already in the sale. It depends on you if you want to modify it yourself. But this one, if you're the type who wouldn't want to build anymore and just want to live in it kaagad, this is perfect for you. You have a very long counter for meal prep. You can have an electric stove or a gas stove there, and then you have your laundry area here. So all of the dirty stuff or a lot of the moving will be here in this area, and I really appreciate na nagkaroon din siya ng gate dito so that whenever you have house help or whenever you have people na doing work for you, they can just enter from here, you don't need to enter from the main door. Upstairs, we have 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath. You have this family area here. As you can see, this is actually seldomly seen in most houses that's being sold at this price range. So, sobrang sulit na po nito. You have a spacious or just a right space for your family area. This can have your family entertainment room. You can put a big TV here, a sofa, so that your family can watch movies, or this can be a home schoolroom, or it can be a library or an office depending on what you prefer. So let's begin with the first bedroom here in the second floor. As you can see, very spacious. Yung ceiling natin, hindi na siya WPC, but still, you have quality gypsum board, you have LED lights, a center light. Now, it's still spacious, kasha yung queen size bed. And what I like about this is, very thoughtful yung pagka-design niya because yung cabinet, nalaglagay siya ng siksikan ng cabinet dito sa side na to. So you don't have to think about it anymore. Again, if you're the type who wouldn't want to do a lot of renovations, this is actually a perfect for you. So this is the common toilet and bath to be shared by 2 bedrooms here in the second floor. Same as the one in the ground floor, you already have your mirror with the backlight, and then you have your your sink with the countertop. And as you can see, yung pagpili ng tiles niya, very elegant, very modern, chic yung pagka-design niya. You also have this glass shower enclosure na sliding. Now, let's go to the second bedroom here in the second floor. Dito sa second floor, you have again something identical as the first one that you saw, but almost the same size. Again, yung cabinet niya is also placed in a specific area, which I actually like kasi it's not consuming the living space or the sleeping area. You have a big window there, LED lights, you have your center light, and this room has a special feature. Meron siyang sariling balcony dito sa likod, which is actually a good use of extra space. So, if again, this is very maximized. Ang maganda dito, sobrang spacious niya. Tapos, tignan nyo, dito na rin niya nilagay yung mga condenser niya. So, at least hindi kita sa unahan, it's not an eyesore. And then you have a lot of space here. You can actually entertain most of your friends here. I think you can put a stairs from downstairs, from sa baba, paakyat dito, pwede rin. It depends on your preference. Na dito rin sa dito rin sa second floor, meron rin kayong gripo. I think, inisip na rin niyang lagyan ng heater dito kasi nalaglagay sila ng water source dito and also naglagay rin siya ng electrical outlet dito. Welcome to the master's bedroom. Very spacious. You can actually fit at least 2 beds here. Sobrang luwag po niya. You can fit a king-size bed on this side. And actually, if you think about it, you can actually enclose this and convert it into a walk-in closet depending on how you like it. Now, another thing that I like about this room is you have a wrap-around balcony so that you can also have an extension of your master's bedroom. You can go outside just to enjoy the breeze of the air, and then maybe in the evenings you can do some reading or you can actually decompress and relax during a very busy day. Now also here in the master's bedroom, by the way, all of the rooms meron siyang kasamang air conditioning. Now this one has its own toilet and bath. But this time around, it has a special feature. So, meron tayong toilet. Nandito yung toilet. Tapos, nandito mahaba yung counter natin for the sink. And then, meron tayong mirror. Now, for this one, if I know some of you or some of the people inquiring from me has been looking for a bathtub. So, for this house, this is one of the special features. Meron siyang sariling bathtub. Thank you for watching our house tour for today. If you would like to see this property in the actual and go on a site visit, you can contact us in the contact information posted on the screen. There we have our Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage. We're also on social media. We have our Facebook and Instagram, and we also have our LinkedIn. Now, if you're still looking around and you would like to get updated with the latest property listings or the new up-and-coming listings that we'll be posting on our website and on our social media accounts, you can join our Viber community. The link is on the description box, and nandyan rin po yan sa ating comment section. Once again, this is Arman Cruz, and I hope to see you soon in my next house tours. Bye guys!